Hey, I'm Bruce the Alligator Man, and I got my own cooking show, y'all. Hey, y'all, today we're gonna cook some steaks. This is my favorite kind of steak, ribeye. Started out with a good chocolate roux. That's what you gotta have to make good gumbo. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. What's up, buddy? Hey, my buddy, I ain't seen him in a couple of days. Up. Come on, get up, up. Me and him been buddies a long time. Hey, buddy, we're gonna go, Leroy. We're gonna see you in a little while. Daddy's gonna bring you some snacks in a little while. Mostly Louisiana cooking stuff like jambalaya. Okay, you take a little bit of meat, little sausage, little crawfish, little chicken, and you add the rice to it and onions and stuff, and it makes a lot. So you can feed a lot of people with a little bit of stuff. Cooking good food is about having fun. If you're not having fun, you're doing something wrong. I'm gonna show you how to cook some good food. Some old school stuff I grew up on and some stuff you ain't never seen before. It's gonna be good. Out here on the bayou, you never know what you're gonna get, but trust me, you don't wanna miss an episode.
Tonight you're cooking with the